Hey, what's going on, Aaron? Here, hope you're doing well. If you're watching this video right now, you might be checking out this website right here called GrabPoints. And maybe you're wondering, can you earn free cash and gift cards by just filling out a few surveys, downloading some offers, and doing a few tasks, right? Let's check it out. Let's see if this is legit or a waste of time. Now, if you're interested in my strategy to get to over $10,000 a month, you can check it out. Just click the link right at the bottom. And on this channel, I've reviewed literally hundreds and hundreds of different ways to make money online. Some of them are really good. Some of them are so-so. A lot of them, though, I've seen, unfortunately, a big waste of time. So let's check out GrabPoints to see whether it's a waste of time or maybe this is a great way to make money online, okay? Now, GrabPoints is a very old GPT website. Get paid to do something. All right. Now, I've reviewed hundreds of GPT websites. This one has been around for a long time. The first time I reviewed this was 5 years ago. So this is a brand new review. They've updated. It looks a lot better. They're paying out some decent income, so let's check it out, okay? Now, the nice thing is you can join from anywhere in the world. Some countries are not available, but if it's not available in your country, it just means that they don't have enough surveys and offers to offer you anyway. But don't worry if that's you. Stick around till the end of this video. I'm going to show you a way where you can still make money from anywhere in the world online, okay? So all you need to do is just sign up right here, email address and password, and once you log in, make sure you confirm your email. That's very important, and then you'll be led to this page right here. It says hot surveys, right? But you're not going to be shown any of these surveys. It's going to be blanked out. You need to take the time to fill out your profile. It'll take you about 10 minutes. They're going to ask you a whole bunch of questions on your background, your income, your employment, what sports you play, do you watch TV, what devices you use, because they have to find out a little bit of information about you in order to match you with the right surveys, okay? Now, the nice thing is that with GrabPoints, they work with some big survey companies, all right? So they work with people like Cint, they work with CPX Research, InBrain, companies like that, right? And so they aggregate all the surveys for you, right? And so once you fill out your profile, so now they know that, these are kind of the surveys that will kind of fit me, right? A lot of the time, the surveys will pay between, 10 cents to about $1, okay? But the sweet spot is about 10 cents to 50 cents. Those are most of the surveys. Occasionally you get a big one, $1, sometimes a little bit more, sometimes $1.50, sometimes $2, but that's quite rare. A lot of them will be around this range, okay? Now, a lot of them will take 10 minutes, 12 minutes, 15 minutes, 4 minutes, that sort of thing, right? So you do the math. That's how long it's going to take for you to earn this kind of income. So it might, you might be able to fill out 5 or 6 surveys per hour, or sometimes 4 surveys depending on how long it takes. Some of them you're not going to qualify for, right? Because you're not going to qualify for every survey depending on your background. So you waste a little bit of time there, but it's still a cool way to make a little bit of extra money. And we'll talk about how much you can earn in total, okay? So you can view all the surveys right here. And then every single day you log in, you'll have access to a few more surveys, which is pretty cool. Okay, you can see the survey partners right here, like I was talking about. Theorem, Reach, Pollfish, Your Surveys, InBrain, Cint, BitLabs. These are some of the biggest ones, right? So I'm going to come back here. So that's the first way to earn. You can just fill out surveys, all right? Second way to earn is through something called offer walls, all right? Now, these are some of the biggest offer wall companies out there. Time Wall, AdGate Media, Lootably, right? So we're just going to click into one, and let me show you how this works, okay? Now, an offer wall is basically a large company that offers you certain points in exchange for you doing certain things on certain applications or games. All right, so for example, with this Monopoly Go offer, if I click in here, right, it's going to say, okay, we're going to offer you a certain amount of points depending on where you reach in the game. So if I download this game and I reach board 5, they're going to give me 150 points. Now, we're going to talk about how much the points are worth in a second, right? But if I keep playing the game, every milestone that I hit, I get more points, right? Board 19, board 42, board 100, board 300, they're going to give me 7,200 points, which is not bad. But you have to remember that it's going to take me a long time to get to board 301, and if I'm not very good at playing games, I might not even reach board 12 or board 19. I might be stuck on board number 5, but I'll still get 150 points for that particular offer. Okay, so that's how offers work, right? Now, if I was to go to another offer, okay, so for example, if I came back to AdGate Media again, right, they're just going to load up the points, the different offers here. Some of them are games where you have to reach milestones. Some of them are actual applications that you have to, use, download. You might have to actually upload some money, put some money on your credit card. Maybe it's a casino offer like blackjack right here, right? You might need to spend $10 to make some points, right? So it just depends. So let's take a look at this. This one right here is just about getting to the different levels. You can see right here, right? So the thing is, it's going to take you a little bit of time, right? Sometimes some of these offers might take you days, some of them will take you weeks, right? But some of them do offer some pretty good point exchange for the time that you put in. Okay, so you just have to manage your time correctly to figure out which is the best way for you to make money. All right, now some of these offer walls will also allow you to do things like watch videos. Okay, so actually this one right here, Pixel Point TV, is a video watching one. Loot TV is also a video watching one. I don't recommend this so much. You can watch it if you want, but literally you have to watch 10 videos on average to make 1 cent. Okay, so it's very, very slow payout. Remember, again, 10 videos you have to watch to make 1 cent. All right, so it's a very, very time consuming thing, but it is just really just watching videos, so that's kind of cool if you want to do that. All right, so you can spend some time on the offer walls and make money that way. Okay, you can also refer friends and family if you want to check it out. You make very, very little money like that. You can view your referrals right here, but that's your GrabPoints link. You can leave this on your social media, and that's another way to make a little bit of money. Now, big question: how do you actually withdraw your money? All right, and how does this actually work? So let's look at rewards right here, right on the top. So for me, I can only withdraw through PayPal, right? The nice thing about the PayPal withdrawal method is I only need to make $1 to withdraw my money, which is pretty cool. Okay, PayPal is cash, which is nice. It's available in hundreds of countries. It might not be available in your country, but depending on where you log in from the world, you might have gift card options too. You might even have Visa prepaid card options, which is also pretty cool. Okay, now, big question: how much can you really make from GrabPoints? Okay, now I've reviewed so many GPT websites out there. This is an okay way to make money. It's definitely not my #1 method, but let me show you the leaderboard, and you can see in real time right here how much people are really earning on GrabPoints. Okay, now you can see that a lot of the biggest earners are from big countries, the US, big countries in Europe like France, right? Germany right here. So if you don't live in a big English-speaking country like the US or Canada or Australia or a big European country, then it might be a little bit more difficult for you because you're not going to get access to as many offers and surveys as some of these large countries. Okay, but let's talk about how much you can really earn. Now, I don't like to look at the top earners inside of a GPT website because it's not an accurate depiction of how much the average person makes on a GPT website. Okay, most of the time the top guys, I mean, these people, they're putting some serious amount of hours. Okay, like these guys right here, like Blandine or Everado or Lucky, they're probably putting in 10 hours or more per day on this website. Okay, so they're literally spending their entire day on the website filling out surveys, downloading offers and all that kind of stuff, which is why they're at the top. A lot more people will be sitting down on the bottom. I wouldn't even say even top 20. It would be like, lower than 50 or lower than 100. That's the average time that people spend on this website, which is usually about an hour, maybe 1 or 2 hours a day, right? So if you're spending 1 or 2 hours a day, let me just show you, okay? So the 20th person right here, which is also above average, is earning about $88 per month, just to give you an idea. Okay, now Michael is probably spending more than a couple of hours a day on GrabPoints, and he's still making only $88. So I just want you to set your expectations. All right, what you can generally expect for a good GPT website like GrabPoints is to earn about $1 to $2 for a couple of hours of work per day. Per month, you're going to look at maybe $30, maybe $50. Okay, that's the average. Now these guys right here, the top 20, they're way above average, right? So Michael and Brittany, they're making $88 to $90 a month, but that is not the average that an average person will make on GrabPoints. Okay, on average it'll be below that. Like I mentioned earlier, $1 to $2 a day maybe for a couple of hours of work. That's roughly about $30 to $50 a month. Okay, these guys are certainly above average, and you can do that if you want. You could spend more time, but these guys are spending a significant a lot more time on the site. They're spending 5 hours, 10 hours, 12 hours. That's how these guys are getting to such big numbers. Okay, I hope that makes sense. So they're just investing more time in the platform. So not too bad. I think GrabPoints is a great normal GPT website that works with some great companies. They give you access to surveys, which is cool, right? And again, expect to earn about $1 or $2 a day for a couple of hours of work, $30 to $50 a month. You can withdraw through PayPal and other other gift card methods if you want. So if you want to check out grabpoints.com, head over here to GrabPoints. grabpoints.com. Okay, now remember that this is extra bonus income. You're not going to get rich this way. You can't replace your full-time job. But the nice thing is that it's free and you can check it out pretty much from anywhere in the world. Now, if you're here watching this video right now, I've reviewed hundreds of strategies to make money online. I've seen the good, the bad, and the ugly. But out of all the good strategies, there is one strategy that I love. It's helped me to quit my full-time job in 2019. I actually 5 times my old corporate salary with this strategy. It's 100% online. I think it's great for beginners. If you want to check it out, I've got a free training on it. Just click the link all the way at the bottom and that will basically show you step by step how this strategy works. Wish you all the best on that. I hope you enjoyed this review of GrabPoints and I will see you on another video review. Take care.